Hello everyone. I will tell you how I bought this Byjus product, premium product. First, I was using the Byjus downloaded app in my phone. So after 15 days to 20 days, I got a call from Byjus. So then they have told that they will come for home demo. But as of now, there is COVID issue. So due to COVID issue, they was unable to come to for home demo, so they have arranged a Zoom call. So we have attended and we are interested to buy for Byjus premium. So as we are interested in Byjus, so we have enrolled, and then for processing and all, a senior educational counselor named Ravi contacted us and he processed everything. I will show you his number on the screen, so if anyone wants you can contact him. So he has given with best price also. Like I have bought from first class to 10th class. Right now I am studying 8th class and my sister is studying 2nd class. I bought a Byjus premium product from first class to 10th class. Today I am showing you the unboxing of Byjus premium product, which I got delivered 2 days before. Okay, and these are the products I got. This is the Lenovo 10-inch M10 tab, and they have provided me Osmo kit and the Viz pen, and they have provided me a book which they will be giving more books after next delivery, and they have provided me a bag also, which is written as Byjus bag. Okay, keeping this bag aside, I will show you first what is the content in the tab and how to unbox it, what are the features, everything I will be showing you. We will be providing the memory card in this way. We have to insert in the Byjus tablet over here. Okay, I have inserted the memory card and it is preparing SanDisk SD card, checking for errors and all. Okay, and now it is starting, and they gave with 80% of charging, and the tab is good, printed as Byjus product and all. Okay, and this is the tab which they have provided, and this, as I told you before, I have bought from 1 to 10th. There are 2 apps containing, which is Disney Byjus Early Learn. This is for 1 to 3 classes, and this is Byjus Premium. From 4th to 10th class I should use this one. Okay, first I will show you for 1 to 3 classes how it will be. Yeah, this is for 1 to 3 classes, and this is the personalized mode which we are seeing now, and this is library mode. So this is the 1 to 3 classes Byjus Premium app. Okay, and this is the personalized mode which we are seeing, and you can refer your textbook index also with the same chapters available in textbook also. Okay, and as I told you, there is a Osmo kit providing from the company. This is the Osmo kit which they are providing. Okay, and this is the Viz pen. I will show you how to use this and all. Okay, first we should press this one for Osmo kit placing and all. It will show you intro, so proceed with the intro. What it's showing here, put your tab in the base. Yeah, it is showing. Now keep this one. We should keep in the red one. Okay, yeah, see, done. Now wait for 1 minute, it will be loading. Just skip this intro, and it is asking to keep the worksheet, which we have to do now. See, I am placing a worksheet now, which the worksheet book they have given. This is the book for Osmo kit, and in this there will be some questions like the shapes that represents a quarter. means these two are right, so these two we have to circle and this thing we should not circle. So whatever we have rounded off here, it will be shown in the screen and it will evaluate. Once they are correct, it will give tick mark, or else it will give wrong mark, and after that you need to press this. That's it. See, it will, the worksheet which I have kept here, it will attract the code and it will be showing the worksheet, and it will be showing the worksheet here. Okay, see, it's asking for the answers now. So once we got completed, we should keep the finger here, so it will get completed. Okay, see, now I am rounding some things. So see, I have rounded these two and these two also I have rounded. See, it's showing here as it is. I will round everything. Okay, now you can check it, everything is rounded here or not, so you can get clarity about it's working fine or not. See, all are rounded here, all are rounded here. Now it's completed. Now I am keeping the finger here. See, it's showing completed, and see there, it's showing us how many correct and how many wrong. So we should keep only the correct ones, we should not give the answers of wrong ones. So we should do again the worksheet. For again we can proceed by rubbing. They have given a pen, no, upside there is a rubber, so we can use this, so it will get erased. Okay, this is the Osmo kit, and they have given me a worksheet of these many pages, and they will be giving more 3 worksheets for me for 1 to 3 classes, and they will be sending the worksheets of pages also with. Okay, this is the Osmo kit one, and this is the drawing one. See, we can draw here. I am selecting this pencil, and we can draw here, and we can erase it. Okay, and we can paste stickers. See, okay, and now I can draw in this like this. This is for kids who are interested in drawing. Okay,
Thank you very much, guys.